Today, I'll show you how to convert a face into a glitchy TV screen using the no signal effect in CapCut. Let's get started. First, import your video into the timeline, then head over to the effects panel and go to body effects. In the search bar, type no signal and you'll see the effect pop up. Simply drag and drop it onto your clip and instantly your face will turn into a flickering TV screen. Now, let's tweak the effect using the right side editing panel. Resize, adjust how much of the face is covered, speed, control how fast the glitch effect plays, vertical, fine tune the position of the TV screen, play around with these settings to get the best look for your video. And that's it. You've successfully added the no signal TV effect in CapCut. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more fun CapCut effects.